Hi, good afternoon, and good morning to our participants in Washington and California. I'm so happy to be here today to provide this presentation by Barnett on source documentation. Over the course of this presentation today, we're going to be talking about defining source documents and data integrity. We're going to identify regulatory authorities' required characteristics of source data. We're also going to analyze source document worksheets. And we're going to look at when the CRF is sufficient as a source document. And lastly, we're going to evaluate best practices. So the regulatory authorities are actually updating their expectation during investigations to a risk-based approach. And those are areas that are deemed within a protocol to have the greatest amount of risk. You've probably heard risk-based quite a bit. Some of the approaches to inspections also include looking at the 5 biggest areas where investigators tend to go wrong. And I'm going to reference these 5 areas frequently throughout our presentation as a way to reinforce for you those areas that I think are important to keep an eye on. And those areas include 1, falsification or fraud, 2, supervision of study and delegation of responsibilities, 3, communication breakdown, and this can be between the sponsor and the investigator or the investigator and the IRB. Also, record keeping and documentation, and most importantly, what we're going to be talking about today is understanding the key elements of data quality and integrity. So as we go along, give consideration to these areas and think about if maybe any of these areas you've seen that. We should know that the quality source documents demonstrate the greatest integrity when they meet the ALCOA standards.